So that was a very, very enjoyable ride in that Skyline. He's just had the engine, like he's just rebuilt the engine as well, the owner. So it's he can't really hoon it that much, but we, you know, did a lot more than I expected, to be honest. So yeah, that was always cool. But yeah, if you want to go check out some more rides. By the way, I do rides on my GoPro because it's like better in-car audio. There's a van going by, which is annoying, but like it's better in-car audio than my camera because my camera picks up so much wind noise, but this just barely doesn't, to be honest. This is where I look back at this video now and the wind noise was terrible throughout the whole thing. Typical. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more and I will see you later.